Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today we are going to open this Mercedes-Benz 190e. So this is going to be like third version I have so far, and I have not pre-ordered it. Thank God I was able to get my hands on it. There is a Santa version coming, so initially I was thinking not to buy it, but then I thought I should, because I have seen some of the reels and videos of the car. You must be wondering what I'm doing. I'm actually trying to cut it while talking to you guys. So yeah, I was saying that there is another Senna version is coming. I'll buy it because I have pre-ordered it. It's a really nice looking car with a figurine sitting inside. I'm sure it's going to look really fine. Okay, I was able to cut it, and let's put the blister on the side. This is your box. Really nice. The car doesn't look good on this, but the car looks good in hand. Here's your base. Very much detailed. Threaded wheels. Really nice actually. This is the back of your car. Has Mercedes-Benz stays on it. There is a exhaust coming out. The the tail lights look cool. The spoiler is really high. Here's your side profile. The wheel look great. The side profile is amazing. It's a plain, beautiful car, and it's a clean car. These are very soft. Yeah, very soft. In the previous version they are very soft, but this time these are quite hard. I'm not going to put much pressure on them. This is your front. The cool car's front. Wow. The black grille, silver lines, headlight look cool. The logo, the emblem of Mercedes. This is very tiny and yet very detailed. This is a nice casting to have. As I said, this is the third car I got. I do not have the other two right now. It rolls perfect. It looks good. It's a mafia car. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.